Hello everyone! Today I want to create a simple handbag using vinyl leather. I hope this tutorial can help you to make a handbag. If you have any question about this tutorial, just comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Arden Studio, if you like to get more videos about bags making. Thank you and happy crafting! Step 1. Material preparation. Prepare all the materials you need to create this handbag. In this tutorial, we use vinyl leather as the outer and thin polyester fabric as the inner material. Please comment if you need the pattern. For the interlining, I use foam with 2 mm thickness. I use foam to create a firm look for the handbag. These are the accessories that I use for making the handbag. I use magnetic button instead of zipper. The D-ring is optional. If you want to add sling strap, you can add the D-ring. But if you just want it to be a handbag, then the D-ring is unnecessary. Step 2. Making the top handle. Apply glue to this area and fold the vinyl leather inside. Arrange the D-ring with the small leather to create strap handles. Sew on this area. Put the cotton rope inside the leather and fold both sides of the vinyl leather about 1 cm inside. Sew along the side. The handbag strap is finished. Step 3. Making the body. Glue the foam and the vinyl leather. Make sure you rub the glue to the whole foam surface. Let the glue dry for a moment. Do it for both sides. Then, fold the body decoration part like this and fold the other side to create body decoration effect. Use eyelets to stick the decoration with the body part. Then, create piping along the side of the body. We will talk about back piping on the other video later. After that, sew the piping along the side of the body. Do it for both body parts. Now, the body is finished. Step 4. Making the gusset. Apply glue and stick the foam with the vinyl leather for the gusset part. Prepare the handles that we have created before and set it on the edge of the gusset like this. Sew along this area. Step 5. Sewing all parts together. Put the body and gusset together using clipping pins. And sew along this side. Do it for both sides. After that, trim the seam allowance on this side. But be careful and don't get too close with the stitch. Our handbag is almost ready. Fold the top about 1 cm inside and hold it using clipping pins. Step 6. Finishing. Now we need to create the top finishing. Install the magnetic button. Make sure it is on the center. Put together the top leather with the inner fabric. Sew along this side and do it for both sides. Sew along the side to make the handbag lining. Now our handbag lining is finished. Put it inside the handbag and use clipping pins to hold for a while. Then make a top stitch on along this area. Be careful when sewing this because we want this part to be perfect on center. And now the handbag is finished. Thanks for watching and see you on the next tutorial.